Are you one of the over 3 million people that are quarantined at home? You've lost your job, or maybe you just had your hours cut and you're not sure how you're going to pay the bills. You're not sure how you're going to get groceries for the kids. Well, in this video, we're going to go over 11 work from home jobs. These are totally legit. Some of them will require that you gain some skills, but wouldn't it be worth it to be able to work in your pajamas? Wake up whenever you want to wake up, set your own hours, be home with your kids and your pets, and really take control of your life and not have to go to a job anymore. Make sure you listen until the end, because one of these may be exactly what you're looking for. I have a friend of mine that does one of these jobs, and she makes around $500 a week from home. And then if you stick around until the end, I'm going to give you a bonus. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, we're going to talk about 11 work from home jobs. Number 11 is to be a medical coder. This is one of the jobs that you will require some education for, but it is a job that's growing because you're going to be figuring out codes for doctor's offices or hospitals that you can bill the insurance companies so that you'll actually get reimbursed for the services that have already been provided for a patient. You can get paid anywhere from $45,000 to $62,000 a year. So you can just go to Google and type in medical coder certification, and there's all kinds of online certification classes that you can take and get your degree and become a medical coder. Number 10 is to become a medical transcriptionist. Now you can become a general transcriptionist to start out with, and you're going to need some extra education to be a medical transcriptionist because you're going to have to know medical terms, like the doctor is transcribing he's talking into the phone and recording his notes. Then you're going to go in and listen to what he said and type it out exactly as he said it, because that's going to go into the medical record. So you have to know medical terms. But 3 different places that you can go to and just get some experience is tigerfish.com. And when you go here, just click on contact, and you'll see right here where it says employment opportunities. And then you can sign up right there to become a transcriptionist. The second one is transcribeme.com. You'll just click here where it says join as a transcriptionist. The third one is quictate.com. And here, when you first come here, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says become a transcriber, and then you can sign up there. Okay, number 9 is to be a freelancer. You can go to freelancer.com, you can go to upwork.com, you can go to peopleperhour.com, and whatever skills that you have, you're going to list. And I've hired a lot of people on Upwork, so you can either, of course, I'm signed in here, I would post a job, but you can be a freelancer and see what kind of jobs people are posting here. And if you have those requirements, then you can apply for the job. Now you can see some of the ones that I've hired people for when I used to do drop shipping, and a lot of people need people to do just like research for them, write articles, things like that. So you can see all the different jobs that you could get would be in accounting, admin support, customer service, legal, sales and marketing. Now, sales and marketing is a very high-paying job. If you know how to close high-ticket sales, there's a lot of marketers out there that if you went to them on Facebook or you know whatever social media platform they're on, and you ask them if you could work for them for free and show them how well you are at closing, and you can make a certain percentage of that. So this is just an opportunity for you to use the skills that you do have and get in touch with people who need to hire somebody that has your skills. So number 8 is to become a virtual assistant, and there's all kinds of people out there that need help with all kinds of different tasks, and these are, you could be a social media manager, these are just a couple of sites that you could go to get jobs. The first one is Mod Squad, and the second one is Fancy Hands. These are both very reputable sites, and you can come here and see that some of the things that people need help with is scheduling, text messaging, purchasing, rollover requests, things like that. So if you're somebody who's good at just helping people manage things, then becoming a virtual assistant would be a good idea for you. And you can also go to Upwork or People Per Hire, these three sites as well, and post your services as a virtual assistant. Number 7 is voiceover work. And if you have a good voice, you can become a voiceover artist. I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there right now that need voiceover artists. You can go to Fiverr and list your services there. You can also go to snaprecordings.com, and that's going to allow you to do some of your recordings so people can see your work. But if you go to Fiverr, you can see if people are hiring, like for a female, that you can get paid. Maybe somebody will pay you $10 to do a voiceover for a video, and you're just reading off a script, and they'll have exactly what you're supposed to say. So you can get paid pretty good doing some voiceover work, and obviously the more experience you get, the more you'll get paid. Number 6 is remote jobs, and these are just jobs that you can do from home. And these are 3 different sites that you can go to find work. The first one is remote.com, and so you should just come here and look on the job board here and see what kind of jobs you may be able to do from home. So you can just search different kinds of jobs here. So that's the first site. The second site is flexjobs.com, and this is a great way to find jobs that you're able to do from home. So you can just find jobs here and go through all the ones here. So whatever you're good in, you can see what kind of opportunities they have for you to do from home. And then the third one is Just Remote. And it's a similar site, but it's just another site that you can go to look for remote jobs. Okay, and number 5 is Amazon Flex. Now this isn't from home, but you can set your own hours. Now the reason I mention this is because right now people are wanting to get a bunch of things delivered to their home. They don't want to go out. And so you can sign up. My husband actually just signed up for this because he's an Uber driver, and right now he's only able to do Uber Eats, which doesn't pay as much. But Amazon Flex, you would just sign up for a block of time, and then you would deliver packages. And basically you don't have to have anybody in your car. You just deliver the package, ring the doorbell. So they pay anywhere from $18 to $25 an hour. So you can set your own schedule, have flexible hours like Uber. So I wanted to mention that just in case you guys forgot about that. Amazon Flex. Number 4 is an at-home advisor, and you can do that for Apple. You're going to get paid a pretty good amount of money for this, but you can see that if you understand Apple and you can answer questions about their products, that being an at-home advisor is something that will definitely pay you pretty good amount of money, and again, you can do it from home. So those are jobs at Apple. And number 3 is a video editor. Now, you can teach yourself how to do this. You can get like iMovie and some free software and be able to just figure out how to do video editing. You can teach yourself. You can look at YouTube videos. And I'll tell you that this is something that is definitely in demand, and you can offer your services for free, like marketers, YouTube marketers that need video editing, and get your foot in the door that way. And then another place you can go to obviously is Fiverr, and just go see how much people get paid for video editing. It's a pretty good amount. I mean, you can make like anywhere from $15 to $50 to do some professional editing, but it's just like any other skill. The more you do it, the better you're going to get at it. And again, there's definitely in demand video editors right now. Okay, number 2 is Amazon. So if you just go to Amazon.com and scroll all the way to the bottom, you are going to see careers right here on the left-hand side. And then you can see that there's remote career opportunities. You just click on view right there, and then you can see if any of them are something that you can do, but there's a lot of remote jobs right now. You can see all the different ones in California, Florida, by cities. So that's another great opportunity for you to work from home, virtual locations. And number one is online tutoring. Several different places you can go to. First one is schooly.com. So you can see that you can just come here and sign up as a tutor. Some of them require that you do have a degree, but you can set your own schedule. The thing about online tutoring is you may be in different countries, so you might have to get up really early. Second one is VIP Kid. It's another very well-known one that pays very well. Third one is chegtutors.com. So again, you can sign up as a tutor here. And the other one that I learned about from my friend that makes, I would say, probably around $500 a week is walesenglish.com. And she said you do need a degree with this one, but let's say you're a teacher and you're out of work. That's actually her degree is in teaching, and she just does this from home. So you tutor children in China, teaching them English. So you do have to get up early, but it does pay well. You can see that earn an average of $18 to $26 per 50-minute class and up to $1,500 per month. So this is a great way that you can make extra money from home, especially if you are a teacher or if you do have your degree in teaching English. There's a lot of questions and answers here that you can get your frequently asked questions, the recruiting process, what are their qualifications. And so as long as you are fluent in English and you do have a degree, I think you could probably get a job there. But these are some of the other ones here, or Schooly, VIP Kid, Cheg Tutors. So this is just some extra money from home. You know, some of these can turn into a full-time income, or you can do more than one of them and hopefully be able to either replace your income or at least supplement it so you can be paying the bills during this time when everyone's on quarantine. I know myself, I'm in the medical profession. You would think that we would get our hours, but I work in skilled nursing. And for the first time in 30 years, I was driving to work yesterday and I get a text from my boss and she said, "We don't have any hours for you." It's the first time that's ever happened to me. So this is affecting everyone. And the thing about these jobs is they're good, but you have to clock in, just like you have to clock in at work. You have to do the work in order to get paid. And I like to show people passive income opportunities. Now, ironically, yesterday when I was home, it was one of my best days online, and I made $850 just through some online things that I do, including YouTube. So I wanted to share with you a free webinar in case you want to learn how to build a YouTube channel, build some passive income, and you don't have to show your face on camera or anything. But it's a great opportunity that you can make some money today. Well, you won't be making it today, but down the road you'll be making money. And I get paid every single day from YouTube. So I wanted to share with you this free training in case you wanted to take a look at it, because it'll really open your eyes to how you can make money with YouTube, looking at videos that are already getting good views and you model after them. So this is about an hour-and-a-half webinar, but it's the YTA method, and I own the course. It's excellent. So if you want to just take a look at how people are making some really good money, what really inspired me is the person that teaches this. One of his channels makes $2,000 a day, and that's just with people clicking on ads. So you don't have to recruit anybody, and I make money every single day from people clicking on my ads on my videos. So, and you can get more than one channel going. It's just a way that you can make extra money from home. So I wanted to mention this to you. I will leave this in the description below the video about how to start a profitable YouTube channel. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. I hope you guys found some value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. With that being said, this is Karen signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.